Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, welcome to all the preschool students who are starting their first day all together in their school journey, joining the Furry team today. We're excited to have you here and look forward to what you bring to the Furry team and look forward to what the Furry team can do to help you grow the best versions of yourself. We can now officially say that the entire Furry team is together at school. So now yesterday on the morning announcements, we started the first of our many times we're going to look deep into the important equation E plus R equals O, which again stands for event plus response equals outcome. And it's the tool that helps us to be problem solvers, the equation that helps us grow the best versions of ourselves. And we learned about the first letter, the E, and we know that it stands for events. We will face hundreds or more events a day, and we don't get to control them. But we are responsible for how we choose to respond to them. Events don't make those choices for us. So what does make those choices? What helps us to respond? What chooses our actions and choices? Well, each one of us do. I choose those for myself, and each one of you choose that for yourself. And that then leads us to the second letter in the equation, the one right here in the middle, the letter R, and it stands for response. Think of the word response as the choice that you make or the action you do. Our R's, or our responses, are 100% up to us. No matter what anyone else says, no matter what someone else does, no matter what is going on around us, we completely control our responses. Remember the example from yesterday where your event was spilling your cereal? How do you want to respond to that? Because you're going to make that choice. Do you choose to get upset? Is your response going to be for you to yell for somebody else to clean it? Or do you respond above the line by getting everything you need to clean it and take care of it yourself? Now, throughout the year, we're going to learn about the disciplines that help you to make above the line choices, such as pressing pause, getting your mind right, stepping up, and more. Because we can talk about a simple example such as a cereal spilling and a simple way to take care of it, but sometimes events are more complicated than that. But just remember, the choice you're going to make is yours. And that's what's great about this R. The choice is always yours. Do you want to be above the line or below the line? The choice is yours. So choose to press pause and respond with discipline today. Choose to do the work to be the best version of you, and your responses are going to help you to have a great day here at Furry. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Thursday, September 4th, 2025, and for lunch today it will be a chicken patty with a bun, green beans, and a banana. And if you're choosing the alternate sandwich, that would either be a turkey and cheese or a peanut butter and jelly. We don't have any birthdays to celebrate at Furry today, so we're going to go to that moment where we start our day off preparing to make above the line responses by pressing pause and getting our minds right. Always the first two steps that can help us make the choice we want. Because remember, that response, that R, is 100% yours. These are tools that can help you make the decision you'd like. We'll go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 seconds. Then hold for 4. Now breathe out for 4 seconds. All right. Very, very good, boys and girls. A few other announcements for you this morning. I want to start these by saying thank you. They were being recognized by teachers that were in the cafeteria during bus dismissal. And we want to say thank you to students Emberly Rohrbacher, Blake Bath, and Abigail Lauer for all leading by example in the bus line yesterday. Remember, when we first get in there, we have to make sure that we're in our lines and we are quiet as soon as that bell rings, so that way we can hear our first buses being called. And these 3 students stood out for the actions, the responses they were making, because those above the line responses led to an outcome that helped everyone around them during bus dismissal yesterday. Thank you to those 3 students. I will visit you throughout the day today and make sure you get a lunch with the principal slip for your above the line choices. Other announcements also, we have our first grade walk to read assembly at 10:05 today, and second grade walk to read assembly will be at 10:40 today. We will come on the announcements and then bring down those grade levels during that time so we can go over our upcoming walk to read that will begin tomorrow. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. Let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.